I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you solution of a question which has been submitted by my subscriber. Let me first thank her for sharing the question, and I hope this solution is going to help many other viewers. We are discussing vector equation of lines. The question here is, find the point at which the normal through the point 3 minus 4 to the line 10x plus 4y minus 101 equals to 0 intersect the line. So to understand the question, we are given a line. This is the line given to us, whose equation is, let me write this equation, L1 is the line given to us, whose equation is 10x plus 4y minus 101 equal to 0. Now we are also given a point which is external to this line, 3 minus 4. And if we draw a normal, let's say this is the point external to the line. The point given to us is 3 minus 4. And if I draw a normal to the line, that is to say a perpendicular line, then it will intersect this line at a point. We need to find coordinates of that point. So that is the question for us. So the steps are, we know the line L1. Let us find the equation of normal line L2. So L2 should be what? Perpendicular line, L2 is perpendicular to L1, right? So perpendicular to L1 is very easy to find. We can just swap this, right? So we can write this as 4x and change one of the sign. We always prefer to change this sign and then 10y, right? So you would have simplified also, but anyway, this is good enough. Okay, plus c, some constant, equals to 0. So line L2 will be perpendicular to L1. You can check that the dot product of these 10, 4 and 4 minus 10 is going to be 0, right? So that gives you a normal, right? But this is an easy way. Now to find c, we can substitute point 3, 4, right? So since we know that the point 3, 4 lies on it, right? Rather 3 minus 4. So 3 is the x value. So we write 4 times 3 minus 10 times minus 4 plus c equals to 0. So that gives us 12 plus 40 plus c equals to 0, or c is equals to minus 52. So that gives us the equation of perpendicular line L2, which is 4x minus 10y minus 52 equals to 0. So now we have equation of two lines. L1, let's say the equation is 1. L2, let us say equation is 2. We need to find the point of intersection, right? So it is question of substitution and eliminations. We have a system of equations. So what we can do is we can do elimination. So if I multiply the first equation by let us say 2, right? So if I multiply the first equation, let me do first the second equation by 5. So let me multiply the second equation by 5. Then what do we get? So if I multiply the second equation by 5, I get 5 times 4 is 20, 20x minus 550y, and 5 times 2, 10, and 1, 26, right? 260 equals to 0. So we'll call this as our equation number 3. So we multiply equation 2 by 5. And now we will multiply equation 1 by 2, right? So we'll multiply equation 1 by 2. So we're just doing elimination. 10 times 2 is 20, so we get 20x plus 8y minus 202 equals to 0. Let's call this as equation 4, okay? Now, to eliminate x, we just have to do equation 3 minus equation 4, right? We can do this. So if you do equation 3 minus 4, as you can see from here, you get minus 58, and that gives you, that becomes plus, so this is minus 58, I mean this is 58y, this is minus 58 equals to 0. Or you can say, taking this term to the right side, we get y equals to minus 58 over 58, which is minus 1. So you get the value of y as minus 1. Now we can always calculate what x is using one of our equations. So what we've just found is y is minus 1. So if I substitute this value in the original equation, which is 10x plus 4 times y, so I'm substituting minus 1 here, minus 101 equals to 0, we can find what x is. So we get 10x equals to 101. This becomes plus 4, so which is 105. So x is equals to 105 divided by 10. You can divide both by 5, so you get 21 over 2, right? So the point of intersection, let's say point P, is 21 over 2, and the y value is minus 1. Do you see that? So that is how you could actually solve such a question. So that is our answer. You can go through this video once again, understand the strategy. So the strategy here is this point. Easily you can find equation of perpendicular line by swapping the coefficients of x and y and interchanging one of the signs, right? And then I think it's straightforward. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos, and feel free to share questions if you need help with, and your comments. Thank you and all the best.